Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn a very easy way to find the center point of the circular mandala and draw the grid lines. In your board, take the centimeter side of your scale and take a even number so that it is easy to get the half of it. Mark it and take a newspaper straight to the line as shown and do the perpendicular. Take a scale and do the line. So you get one side of the perpendicular. Repeat the same process in another side, taking the centimeter side even number, taking a half of it and doing the perpendicular. It will intersect at a point that will be the center. In order to see it is correct, we will do the same thing in the third side of it, and the straight line, perpendicular line, should intersect at the where both of the other previous lines are you will get the center. In order to see that the center point is correct, we'll take the rounder and we will see it should be equidistant from the edges of the circle. If they are not equidistant, try to adjust the center point just left or right of it to make it more approx, and so that it will be equidistant from the edges of the circle. We will erase it and mark it the center point. We will draw a straight line. This straight line will act as a reference for my stencil. I will place my stencil on the straight line of it and mark all the points. Do not draw the straight lines using your stencil. Just mark it, and using your scale and the two intersection point, two diagonally opposite point passing through the center, we will draw all the line. So it will help us to give a symmetrical section, and it will be easier to for our mandala to be more symmetric and equal on every side. So as the sectors are very big, I will divide it into two. So I will take to the corner of the two lines, mark the half of it, and using the rounder I will take that section, and through each line I will cut that section so that that will be the half of each sectors that I have divided through my stencil. So here you will get more half, or you can divide your circular part into more sectors. So this is very much useful in bigger mandala where once you use a 30-inch, 48-inch, more than 25-30 circular board. This method is very useful as you can divide your sectors more easily. Much easier to do. I prefer mostly using this method in all my boards, be it smaller, be it bigger. I use this method because it gives me a proper symmetry, and I can easily find my center and divide it into different smaller section using this method. So try this out and let me know through your comments if it is useful to you or not. After the sections are divided, take the inch part of your ruler and take the half of the inch first and mark it in one of the side straight line of your side. Once you mark the half of your inch, then I prefer you can start doing after that if you don't like more congested, but I prefer more concentric circles. So I will take the half of the inch, like 1/4 of the inch, and mark, and then using the compass I will do all the concentric circles. So here I am using a slider down, so it is easier for me to rotate my board. Do remember to sharpen your charcoal pencil, because as you do the concentric circles, they might get thick and your circles might not turn out as perfect. So sharpen in between if required, and your circles will be much better and your mandala will be much more symmetry if you try this method out. So hope you love my video. Share this with all your friends to whom you find this video will be helpful. Do subscribe to my channel to see more such video. Thank you. Have a nice day.